Hi guys, it's another weekend and video na naman tayo because it's Mother's Day tomorrow and hindi ako nagpo-order ngayong weekend na to because I want to relax and chill kasi nga Mother's Day. But then, ang tita ko from the US, nagpadala siya ng maraming mga Duncan Hines na mga cake mix, brownie mix, at saka mga chocolate chips na iba-ibang flavor. So, I decided it would be a nice idea to make a treat box for my titas and my mga friends ko na mommies out there. So, I'll be baking for the family and friends. Nakasalang na yung brownies. This is the brownie Duncan Hines na milk chocolate. First time ko itong matatry. Ang natry ko na before is yung nakalimutan ko na yung tatak but my titas has been sending me some cake mix, mga brownie mix before. May natry na ako, masarap sobra. So ito iba, napakita ko lang. This is the Easy Cake Kit Cheesecake. Duncan Hines din yan. This is the first time na nakita ko dito to. Gawin natin yan pag may cream cheese na tayo. Tapos, merong classic white. Merong yellow. Tapos, meron ding iba pang yan, chocolate. So, right now, itong dalawa yung binibake ko. Inuna ko na yung brownies. And then, sunod natin yung chocolate cake. Yan na siya, guys. 5 minutes before matapos yung baking time, nilagyan ko sa taas ng marshmallow. Kasi I'm planning to do a s'mores cupcake. Hindi ako magaling mag-icing. Also, we're traveling to Cainta and yung iba, ilalalamove ko. So, mas gusto ko yung medyo stable yung icing niya or yung topping niya. And then, tinap ko lang ng pieces na padala rin ni Tita Gigi. Yan na siya, guys. Nilagyan ko ng chocolate topping. Lagay ako sa taas ng mallows at saka chocolate. Tapos, pinrinkled ko lang siya ng graham crackers. Yan, para s'mores cupcake siya. Ito na tayo dito sa brownies. Hiwain na natin siya. Yan na, guys, yung brownies. Nahiwa ko na siya. And then, walnut cookies. Chocolate chip cookies. Nasasama ko rin yan sa treat box na bibigay natin. Also made a double chocolate chip with Reese's. And this is the treat box. Happy Mother's Day!